The bedrock for wealth is actually not in earning, but in saving and investing adequately. In this video, I am going to touch upon 7 basic financial pitfalls that may stand in the way of your journey to financial freedom. Let's plunge into it. Number 1. Expensive coffee shop drinks. We've all been there. Grabbing a fancy latte or iced coffee from a trendy cafe feels like a small treat. But let's break it down. Spending $5 or more on coffee every day adds up to over $1,800 a year. Think about how much you could save or invest instead. For young people, especially teenagers or students, these costs might not seem like a big deal at first. But if you're in the habit of grabbing coffee regularly, it's money that could go towards something much more meaningful, like starting your first savings account, funding a side hustle, or even going on a fun trip. A better alternative? Make your coffee at home. There are endless ways to create your own cafe-style drinks without spending a fortune. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also a great skill to learn, and your wallet will thank you. Number 2. Investments I'm not sure about. Many investors make mistakes when putting money into things they do not fully know about, which can cost them a lot. Quick decisions in investments, especially in stocks and real estate markets, without enough understanding can lead to bad picks and big losses. Some people may depend on trends or copy famous investors, only to find out they do not have the skills to judge those investments well. This can lead to a cycle where their confidence is misplaced and ends with poor results. For people who invest money, it is very important to do careful research and only put money into things they really understand. Instead of taking chances with uncertain opportunities, it's better to be patient and look for good investment choices that are reliable. As Warren Buffett says, the first rule for investing is not to lose money. This shows how important it is to make choices with good information and careful thinking. This is not financial advice. These videos are for educational purposes only. Number 3. Spending money to impress others. Many people have problems with self-esteem, so they spend money on luxury things to impress other people. They want others to validate them, which makes them buy costly items like fancy watches or designer clothes, hoping that their friends will respect and admire them more. But the truth is, things like fancy stuff don't always bring the social praise we think. People admire such things only for a short time, and not too deeply. Actually, most folks don't care about showy items as much as one might imagine. Real self-esteem comes from dealing with and beating personal doubts, instead of hiding them by buying many expensive things. By concentrating on getting better as a person and accepting oneself, people can grow true confidence. This reduces the urge to find approval through spending money, leading to smarter choices about finances in the end. The fourth thing, trendy gadgets. Gadgets are cool, no doubt about it. Whether it's the latest smartwatch, earbuds, or smart home device, technology makes our lives easier and more fun. But here's the trap. Not all gadgets are worth the hype or the money. Let's talk about those nice-to-have items that promise to revolutionize your life, but often just collect dust. Things like smart mugs that keep your coffee warm or fitness trackers you stop using after a month. These trendy buys seem exciting, but often don't deliver enough value for their price. For young people, it's easy to feel the pressure to keep up with tech trends, especially when you see everyone online showing off the latest gadget. But before you buy, ask yourself, do I really need this? Will I actually use it? Most of the time, the answer is no. A good rule is to invest in gadgets that make your life significantly better, like a solid laptop for school, a durable phone, or tools for your hobbies. Skip the flashy, gimmicky items that won't stand the test of time. Your future self and your bank account will be glad you did. Number 5. Cars. The cost of a car can be more expensive than most think. The average car payment in 2024 was $730 per month for new cars, and $525 per month for used cars. Of course, that only accounts for financing costs, and does not take into consideration the added costs of insurance, gas, maintenance, and overall operating cost increases. By using their cars a lot more often than they actually need to and taking useless trips, drivers waste a lot of fuel and spend a lot of time in traffic. People who already live in cities where public transportation is available do not need a car. It would be better for singles to invest the money rather than tie it up in a car. Sometimes, long-term financial security is more important than the convenience one could have right away from owning a car. The sixth thing is useless online courses. While online courses can give useful information and skills, many choices available are not very good. They often only offer what you could find for free on places like YouTube. These attractive courses might make people spend a lot of money, but do not provide valuable content in the end. Many courses have bad organization and not enough details, which makes students feel unhappy and unready. Because of this, it is very important for people who want to buy a course to look deeply into information before they choose any online class. Looking for feedback, examining course material, and confirming instructor qualifications can help make sure the investment is good. By putting money into high-quality courses with plenty of learning chances, people can avoid losing money and improve their skills effectively. Number 7. Excessive takeout and food delivery. Takeout and food delivery apps make life so convenient, it's hard to resist. You're hungry, tired, or just don't feel like cooking, so you grab your phone, place an order, and boom, food at your door. But let's look at what this habit can do to your wallet. Between delivery fees, tips, and restaurant markups, a $10 meal can easily turn into $20 or more. Now imagine doing this multiple times a week. For young people especially, whether you're in school, starting your first job, or just trying to save, it's a financial drain you might not even realize. The alternative? Learn a few simple, go-to recipes that you enjoy making. Start with basics like pasta, stir-fry, or sandwiches, which are cheap and quick to prepare. Meal prepping is another game changer. Set aside a little time to cook in bulk, so you always have something ready to eat. If you crave the excitement of ordering food, make it an occasional treat, maybe once a week, or as a reward for achieving a goal. You'll still enjoy the convenience without letting it eat up your budget. And here's the bonus. Cooking at home is a great life skill. It's healthier, more affordable, and lets you control what's in your meals. Plus, nothing beats the satisfaction of enjoying a delicious meal you made yourself. Share this video with your friends, family, or even your kids, and help them build strong money habits for a brighter future. Let's grow smarter together. This channel is designed to make financial education accessible and fun for everyone, kids, teenagers, and young adults. Whether you're starting your money journey or just looking to sharpen your financial skills, these videos are perfect for you. Thanks for watching.